Hello my shining stars. So today we are doing Learn and Solve Maths Class 5 by Children Voice publication. So let's start. Chapter 7 Money Warm up. The first, do you know from where the shopkeepers buy goods? And the second, how do they earn money? A shopkeeper buys goods from the wholesaler or directly from the manufacturer. The price at which the shopkeeper buys the goods is called the CP, cost price, and the price at which the shopkeeper sells the goods is called the selling price, SP. If the selling price is more than the cost price, then there is a profit, and profit is selling price minus cost price. And if the selling price is less than the cost price, then there is a loss. So loss is cost price minus selling price. So now finding profit or loss. Example 1. Mohan bought a wristwatch for rupees 3,260. He then sold it to Pratham for rupees 2,950. Did he make a profit or loss? So CP is rupees 3,260 and SP of the watch is 2,950. So CP is greater than SP. Cost price is greater, that's why there is a loss. तो लॉस हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? दोनों का डिफरेंस. सो ₹310. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 2. Aman bought a laptop for ₹48,150. He spent ₹1,050 in purchasing accessories for the laptop. He then sold his laptop for ₹55,000. Did he make a profit or loss? So first find the cost price of the laptop. So see, cost price is given 48,150 and cost of additional accessories 1,050. तो total cost क्या बन जाएगी? इन दोनों का sum, that is 49,200. Now SP is given. So SP is greater than CP. That's why there is a profit. So SP minus CP, दोनों को minus कर देंगे. 5,800 is the profit. So assessment 1, question number 1, find the profit or loss in each case. So see here, A part, CP is ₹100 and SP is ₹400. So SP is greater than CP. So we have profit, SP minus CP. So 400 minus 100, that is ₹300. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the second one, complete the table. 1 is done for you. Like here, items given, CP given, SP given, we have to find whether profit or loss. So like A part, pen cost price 39, SP is 36. So here CP is greater than SP, so there is loss. Loss is 39 minus 36, ₹3. B part, pencil cost price 46, SP is 50 rupees, so there is a profit. 50 minus 46, 4 rupees. Okay, similarly you can complete it. The third one, find the profit or loss if CP is ₹7,840, amount spent on repairs is ₹550 and the SP is ₹8,590. So what will you do? You will find total CP. So 7,840 plus 550. So this is 8,390 is the CP and SP is 8,590. So we have profit ₹200. Okay, so I hope remaining question you can try on your own. Now finding the CP, cost price. Example 1. Raghav suffered a loss of ₹505 on a watch which he sold for ₹1,850. Find the CP of the watch. So SP is given, loss is given. So what is CP? CP is SP plus loss. So दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे. आंसर इज ₹2,355. यहाँ पर लॉस है, इट मीन्स CP जो है वो SP से ग्रेटर होगा. तो इन दोनों वैल्यूज को ऐड कर देंगे. This is the CP. Now finding the selling price. Example 1. Neha bought a PlayStation for rupees 10,120 and sold it at a profit of rupees 610. Find the SP. Profit है, it means SP would be bigger. So SP क्या होगा? CP plus profit. दोनों को add कर देंगे. So answer is 10,730. So selling price of the PlayStation is 10,730. Now assessment 2, the first one, complete the given table. Like here, serial number given, CP, profit, loss and SP. So first may CP and SP given. So what we can find? Profit or loss. So here CP is 3,236 and this is 4,577 SP. So SP is greater than CP. तो क्या होगा? Profit. तो profit find कर लेंगे, दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे. ₹1,341. Okay, similarly you can complete this table. The second question, solve the following. Like A part, Soha purchased a mobile for ₹31,552. She spent ₹405 on its accessories. If she sold it for ₹22,850, find her gain or loss. So first find total CP. Total CP is how much? 31,552 plus 405. दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. What will you get? 5 plus 4 9, 31,957. And this is the SP. SP is smaller, it means there is a loss. So CP minus SP. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about unitary method. The method of finding the value of one article when the value of a certain number of articles is given, that is called unitary method. When you are given the cost of one object, you can find the cost of many objects. You can do so by multiplying the cost of one object with the number of objects. And when cost of many items is given, you can find the cost of one item by dividing cost of many items by number of items. So study these example. Example 1. The cost of a toy is ₹10. What is the cost of 13 toys? So multiply by 13. So ₹10 multiplied by 13, that is ₹130. Now example 2. If the cost of 20 items is ₹1,800, find the cost of 40 items. So first find the cost of one item. So divide 1,800 by 20, that is ₹90. Now cost of 40 items ज़्यादा होंगी. 90 multiplied by 40, that is 3,600. Assessment 3, question number 1. The price of a dozen pencils is ₹25. Find the cost of 16 pencils. So we know the price of 12 pencils. Dozens mean 12 pencils cost ₹25. So one pencil cost 25 upon 12. So 16 pencils cost more. 25 upon 12 multiply by 16. Cut it by 4. Then we can solve it. 100 upon 3. Convert into mixed fraction. So now, like fourth question, Rihanna bought 10 notebooks for ₹950. How much will 15 notebooks cost? So cost of 10 notebooks, ₹950. Cost of 1, 950 upon 10, and cost of 15, 950 upon 10 multiply by 15. So we can find it. I hope this is clear to you. The next is shopping. When we buy things from the shops, we also receive a piece of paper that is called a bill from the shopkeeper. The bill has the number, the names of the items purchased, the rate of each item, date of purchase and the money to be paid. The shopkeeper multiplies the rate of purchased items with the purchased quantity of that item. Then he finds the total amount to be paid. Before paying the bill, we must check to ensure that there is no mistake in the bill. So carefully study the bill given below. Here bill number, date, and now Gupta Provision Store and the address. Now here serial number, item, quantity, rate and total amount. So here tea 1 packet 185 per packet, so 185. The second is rice 10 kg 38 per kg, so total money 38 multiplied by 10 380. Wheat flour 10 kg 40 per kg, so total money 40 into 10 400. Sugar 4 kg 45 per kg, 45 multiplied by 4 180. Detergent powder 4 packets 85 per packet, so 85 multiplied by 4 340. Salt 4 kg 16 per kg, so 64 is the money. And mustard oil 5 liter 95 and 50 rupees per liter, so total money this much. Now total amount, we can add all these. So this is the bill. So how to check a bill? The first, check if the quantity for each item is correct. The second, check that the amount for each item is written correctly. And the third, check the total amount. Now assessment 4, question number 1. Solve this problem. In a hotel menu, the rates of different dishes are given as follow, like dosa, pizza, pastry, biryani. So make the bills for 2 families who have eaten these dishes. So see here, item, quantity and how much amount. So dosa, 5 dosa. So and 120 rupees per dosa. So it means 120 into 5, that is 600. 4 pizza, it means 218.5 into 4. We can calculate it. Now biryani 3. So 150 rupees 75 paise into 3. We can calculate it. And pastries, 1 pastry 48 rupees 50 paise multiply by 4. So like this we can find the total, or we can do for this also, right? Now see here the second one, complete the following bill, like here VK Chaat Bhandar, bill number, name and address, telephone, date. Now serial number, description, quantity, price per unit and the amount we have to find. So the first one, Raj Kachori 5 pieces and rupees 58 and 75 paise per piece. So what to do? हम क्या करेंगे? Multiply कर देंगे 58 rupees 75 paise multiply by 5. We can find the amount. ऐसे ही छोले भटूरे 3 plates, so 88 rupees 25 paise multiply by 3. Now mixed chaat 3 plates 73 rupees 75 paise multiply by 3. Then this multiply by 2 and then this multiply by 4 and then calculate and then find the total. I hope this is very much clear to you. Now MCQs we have, we can try this. Aptitude reasoning is also here. We can try this. The concept is clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. So stay happy, stay blessed.